There was a time in my life when my best friend was a puppet like this one. It was when I arrived at a new school and knew nobody.
Nobody!
Wait, you can talk?
Yeah, we've been together for months!
Oh well, let's just get on with the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now today we are doing part 2 of how to settle into a new school. We are on the road to 200 subscribers, so please smash that subscribe button. But with further ado, let's get started. Tip 1. Sign up for activities. The more activities you're in, the more chances you have of finding people with things in common. I've met most of my friends through football clubs or karting. It's easy to connect and talk with people who like the same things as you. Tip 2. When you arrive at a new school, you will probably be assigned to someone who will show you around. Pay attention, and if you have any questions, ask them, no matter how odd or silly you think they are. If a student is guiding you, he has been through the same experiences quite recently and has had his own silly questions, so he wouldn't mind yours. If a person who works at the school is guiding you, he is used to hearing the same old questions over and over, year after year. It might seem weird, but I have to ask how long we get to get changed because I always need to find my socks. Tip 3. Speak with your parents or teachers if you are having difficulties in catching up in any subjects in class. They're there to help you. It's their job, so they'd be delighted if you ask them. My school in Spain was a bit behind in maths, so I struggled in the first year or two. It might be the case that you're not up to the level of your new peers in some areas. This is nothing to feel ashamed about. We cannot know everything. You might need a couple of extra lessons to catch up, but your parents need to know this at the beginning, or otherwise you get a big fat fail at the end in every subject. Tip 4. Do not show off. It might be because of my personality or where I come from, but when something exciting happens to me, I just have to share it with someone. Then I realised that coming into the first day of school, spreading the good news that I've just scored 5 goals last weekend was, well, maybe not the best idea. People don't like hearing bragging all the time. Be kind and humble, and you'll soon become popular and accepted. We have 2 ears and 1 mouth. Listen more. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video.
See you all next week!